Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys might have already known from the thumbnail, it's going to be a couple challenge video. You guys might have seen a lot of videos on couple challenges in YouTube, but this is a bit different challenge because it's going to be parents challenge. I'm very sure like if you are a parent, you guys can totally relate to what we want to convey.
Assalamualaikum guys, hope you all are doing good, and yes, this is Basha.
As we keep arguing a lot about who takes care of baby well or who loves baby the most, we are going to prove this in a challenge. So I have already explained this to him, and I have actually told him to make note of some 10 questions which is related to Zohan and his 2 years of journey. I have also noted down some 10 questions, and we are going to ask questions in turn to each other, and let's see who answers well, who knows baby the most. So yeah, can we start the challenge?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so let's get started. Who wants to start first?
Ladies first.
Okay, so I'll start. I have these questions with me. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so what was the time when baby Zohan was born?
Oh, I think that is 5:21 a.m. Friday.
I just asked for the time, not the day.
Okay. Thought of giving extra additional information, maybe.
It's not needed.
Alright. Good. Yeah, 5:21 a.m.
See, this is a very simple question, and I'm very sure like every parent knows the answer, but I was very sure like he will give this answer wrong because he is not very keen about don't look at me like that, because he's not very keen about the seconds. He just gives a whole number answer every time when I ask him something related to numbers. So the answer is wrong.
So what is the answer?
Just 2 seconds late. 5:19.
Guys, look at that. See, I told the exact timing, but second is too much, right?
You told 5:21 a.m. but the answer is 5:19 a.m.
Okay, let's go with second question then.
So you are wrong.
Alright, so here is the question. What's his favorite color?
This is very simple. I knew that he'll ask these kind of silly questions. I was very sure. That's why I did not come up with these kind of questions, because I know he's very lazy to think. So I was very sure like he'll ask simple questions to me, and I can easily win this challenge. So yeah, it's known to everyone who knows Zohan, his favorite color is blue.
Okay, here's the twist. So what is the latest color he's liking?
What? You can ask only one question one time.
Let's say it's a sub question.
Sub-question that we did not discuss, that was not there in the syllabus itself.
Sometimes you get out of syllabus questions in exams.
I used to ignore. No, okay, but let's not have this question.
Let's give a try then.
Okay, I'll try, but let's not have this question as a part of this challenge, but just like additional information I can give.
Yeah, let's see how closely you are tracking your kid.
Okay, so there's one color which he has actually learned recently in Urdu. He used to say kala, which means black, so black.
Okay.
See?
Not bad.
Not, but every mom knows what their kids do. I'm very sure that you guys can relate. So obviously there is no way that I can go wrong in any question which he asked me. So let's move on.
Yeah.
Okay, second question. I have not set up any easy questions for you, okay? Because
Alright.
it's going to be a tough only. Not tough, but I'm very sure like it will be tough for you.
Alright.
So when was Zohan's 6th month celebration? I mean, when did we celebrate his 6th month?
What do you mean when you want to know?
I want the date. Like he was born on October 26th, so I want to know the date of his 6th month.
It is March 26.
6 months. Okay, March 26th. Lock.
Of course,
Shall I lock it?
yes. Lock it.
You should have counted, because I gave you few seconds I gave you, right? You should have counted it. Okay, anyways, you have lost it because I'm not going to give you extra time.
See, I'm trying to be honest. I don't want to take, additional time, but whatever is in my mind, I'm going to tell you that.
You should have remembered this because I'll tell you the reason. His answer is wrong, of course. His 6th month was on April 26th.
Okay, anyways, like,
You could have remembered this, right? Because April 26th is my dad's birthday and Zohan's 6th month as well. So we celebrated both together. We both were the one who went to the cake shop. We ordered one blackcurrant cake. Half, we told him to cut the cake into half. Half was for Zohan's half birthday, and on the other half we wrote "Happy Birthday, Nanu." So,
yeah.
see, obviously I was very sure that he
Usually
will not
husbands
answer.
are very bad in keeping track on those things, like memory.
That
date-wise.
is the reason, but that's why you should not argue with mother that you know baby the most, or you love baby the most.
Okay, maybe let's move on. How many times have we taunted Zonu's head, like shaved Zonu's head?
2 or 3.
So, see guys, she's not sure about it and she's saying that I'm not.
No,
keeping track
I am actually confused with tonsuring and with normal haircut. I guess it's 2.
That's wrong. It is actually 3. Recently we did. You forgot?
When did we do?
We did recently during the just before lockdown, right?
But he had hair that time when we shifted to Bangalore.
Now altogether it's 3. So you lost it.
So we did
Yes.
in March.
Of course,
Oh, okay.
3 times.
Because I actually get confused between his haircut and tonsuring, because we have had so many haircut for him and that I did not remember.
See guys,
Okay.
this is the problem. If ladies does, it's a
It's okay, it happens, right? Because I was keeping track of everything together.
alright. Let's move on.
Okay, so score is 0. 0-1.
Why 0?
Because both the questions you were wrong. You answered wrong.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
If you are a judge, then I have to listen to you then.
Really?
Yeah, go
Okay.
on.
Okay. When did Zohan cry the most? When did Zohan cry the most?
Any clue? Because babies are always, they used to cry. So
Yeah.
is there a specific time that you want me to?
No, when did he cry the most? After his birth, when did he cry the most?
You have the answer. As soon as his birth, definitely. That's the first time that baby cries. A lot.
Intelligent answer actually, but I was expecting something different. This is something which you cannot answer exactly. But yeah, I was just testing his intelligence and he proved me right. Okay, I can totally relate to it and I'll definitely accept your answer. But I was expecting something else. Zohan, according to me, Zohan cried the most when he reached home from hospital. So once he returned back to home from hospital, that night he cried severely. He literally cried the entire night. And I was expecting that answer from you. But okay, intelligent answer. So 1 point to him.
Yeah.
Okay, move on.
Alright. So guys, I'm sure she's not going to answer this. Let's see.
Let's see.
her memory power.
Let's see.
Okay, so how many rings did he receive for his naming ceremony?
I thought of taking this question up, but then I thought let's not go too personal. This is something which everyone in my family remembers. But I don't remember the exact. I don't remember the exact count, but luckily Zohan is our first baby and obviously first in my family. So every one of us showered their love with so many gifts. And ring was something which he received the most, and he got so many rings. I'm not sure about the exact count. He got some 23 to 24 gold rings. I don't remember the exact count. I think it's
So
20.
she doesn't have an answer. That's
No,
clear.
because it's huge, right? No baby will receive this many rings. He got so many other gifts,
Alright, I think you guessed it right. Almost there, but let's give another chance to her. So what do you think? Now you have to say this or that. What is the number?
23. Okay, I'll go with 23 because I remember the count was an odd number. So 23.
Computer G, this time let's see her answer is wrong. It is going going to be 22. You are close, but you failed with one number.
It was
It is
we got 23 last time में आपको दिए ना. Last time आपको जने दिए ना. वो दीदी दिए ना.
No, that's including 22.
Okay, I think I should confirm this with
She's
my
very
mom.
clever. She is trying to convince me with the numbers, but
No, I
I
think,
remember that.
no, I think I should confirm this with my mom because she has the exact count. Let's confirm with her. Okay, this is not considered. I don't
I'm
agree
sure
to
about
it.
it. Maybe the results will, maybe it will be released soon, guys. So let's see. I'm gonna win it.
This is not a valid question then. Okay, fine. Let's move on. I took a photo of Zohan with diapers. When did I take?
With diapers.
Yeah, it was something memorable. Memorable day. I gave you clue also because I was very sure. Like photo shoot, he never helped me. I was the one who used to take his photo shoot. I was the one who used to take his photos along with my mom. So I'm very sure. Like he does not know because he was not even involved in one photo shoot also. Only for first birthday and second birthday photo shoot he was involved. And Zohan's birthday is coming. No preparations yet, but we have done his photo shoot all by ourselves.
Not ourselves, me.
Okay.
I was the photographer.
Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move on. Tell me the answer.
Yeah. So what was the question again?
I took a photo of Zohan with diapers. When was that?
Do you have answer in it? No. Okay.
I have not written the answers. Only questions are there on my phone.
Very first time is I think it has the answer itself when he came from hospital to home. That's the first time that you.
You cannot be too intelligent. This is something. This is very,
Oh, that is
very
true,
much.
right? That is true. Because babies are wearing pampers every time, but especially you are asking the very first time. So which means as soon as he come from hospital.
You are going in deep. You are thinking too much. This is actually a very good answer, but too much of thinking. I asked you. I took a photo. Okay, keep it as photo shoot.
Okay.
I did a photo shoot of Zohan with diapers. Along with diapers. So when did I take that?
Oh yeah, I remember. It's in naming ceremony.
Okay, I cannot
Yeah.
wait. Okay, we are running out of time. I seriously cannot wait. Okay, so I'll accept this answer, but it is a wrong answer. Not on his naming ceremony. It
You're
was
not accepting it willingly, so I don't know why.
No. Your answer is wrong. We took that. I took that photo shoot on his 100th day. So with 100 diapers, I took the photo shoot. See the photo. So yeah, he's wrong again. Okay, now your turn.
Alright, guys. So my next question is, what is his favorite rhymes since?
Such a silly question. If anyone can answer this, wheels on the bus, of course.
Oh, maybe I should have changed the question. I thought of changing it, but unfortunately.
Okay, what colored dress did Zohan wear when we brought him back to home from hospital?
That is pink color.
We never made him wear pink color.
That was a blanket, I guess, right? I was a bit confused, guys, because he was having that pink color blanket, right?
Yeah.
So maybe that's why I told you that.
I'm asking about dress, not blanket.
Okay. Any clue?
I gave you a clue, right? It's white with something. Okay, I'll give you another clue because this is very simple. He was wearing romper style.
White with yellow.
No. See the photo and you guys itself decide. So, who is leading? I think I'm leading. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so here is the $1 million question, guys. Let's see. So, what is Zohan's favorite junk food?
He loves junk food. He loves everything in junk food. But I know it's not right. But he loves junk food. To be honest. But his favorite junk food is pizza.
Okay, That's good. But yes, guys, as she mentioned, do not give any junk foods to babies. But we are also not giving regularly. But sometimes when we give that cheese kind of thing, because baby loves it. So I think cheese also has multiple benefits. So just stay limited. That's the thing. What do you say?
Yeah, true. Thank you. Okay, so my turn. Okay, next question. In which month did we do Zohan's circumcision?
Third month.
Okay, third month, right?
Yeah.
Month, which month?
Oh, come on. So I don't remember that. Okay. So,
No, you can actually count it, right? He was born on October, so kaun sa mahina?
January.
Okay, okay, I accepted. I was actually thinking whether to ask this question or not, but there is nothing to feel shy, right? Circumcision is a normal thing for us, and we are actually so happy that we did his circumcision at a very early period. Like many of them do it when the baby is like when the baby is newborn baby, but we took some time because we wanted him to settle down with feeding stuff, and then we decided to do before he rolls over, so we did on third month. I think it's the best time to do. We did not feel any problem. I mean, we did not feel any difficulty in managing him. It was all smooth. So yeah, that was one suggestion which I wanted to give it to you all. So next question to me.
One color which he has the most in his dresses.
There are actually two colors. Which one should I say?
Majority always wins, right?
Majority बोले तो yellow.
That's a right answer. Okay.
Yellow. He has many dresses in yellow color and also white. My turn. One thing which Zohan can't be without.
His dad. He calls me Papa. So of course I feel that is the right answer.
No, I asked about a thing, not a human
Okay,
being.
you should mention it.
I asked one thing which
Okay,
Zohan
okay,
can't be
alright.
without. Tick tick one, tick tick two,
Pass.
tick tick. Blanket.
Oh.
Zohan
okay.
loves his blanket. He loves his blanket like
Yeah.
anything. He uses it when he takes feed. He uses it while sleeping. He just loves it. He just loves it. So blanket. And I really loved his answer. One thing which he can't live without his dad or his appa, which is also true. He's like more fond of his dad than his mom. So yeah. Next question to me.
Okay, guys. Here's the final question. What is his favorite toy for now?
There are two toys. Which one should I say? He loves JCB and also he loves his ride-on car.
You should give one answer.
I think ride-on car.
That is wrong answer.
Why?
He loves JCB more than that, right?
Yeah, kind of. But I felt like he loves ride-on more. No, you did not win. I have one more question to you. When did Zohan start walking properly?
Do you have answer in it? Okay.
No. I just have questions on my phone. When did Zohan start walking properly? Like he was walking. I mean, he was taking few steps, but then there was one fine day, which is a very memorable day, in which on the day in which he started walking properly. Like he took many steps together.
After his first birthday.
Right? Date.
Oh, come on. Again, you are coming with dates and time and all.
Okay, let's agree to it. Okay, after his birthday, right? It was on 27th October that he started taking many steps without support, and I have captured it in a video. Do watch. Okay, next question.
So what is Zohan's favorite food?
Yogurt.
Wrong.
Yogurt. No, I'll not accept yogurt because I'm the one who feeds him. Yogurt.
Okay. He
Yogurt.
likes many things, but okay.
Yogurt.
If you see in a different aspect, yeah,
Yogurt,
it is
yogurt,
also
yogurt.
one of his favorite.
Yogurt. Okay, next question to you. We'll move on quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, how many teeth does Zohan have right now?
12 teeth.
Wrong. I think you have counted this before 4-5 months. He has 16 teeth right now. 16.
Oh, I missed it.
He missed it, but he's the one who brushes Zohan's teeth, and I'm really happy and proud of it because he's someone who loves doing that and he's one who takes care of that brushing department very well. Thank you so much for making my work easy. So yeah, we are done with the challenge, right?
Yeah, that is
I think
it.
10
now,
questions over.
hopefully.
I think over. Okay, it's enough. Basically, who won? I won, right?
It's okay, it's your show. Maybe you are,
Okay, so I won. Do let me know in the comment section like who won and who answered honestly. And yeah, did you enjoy this challenge?
Yes, of course. Hopefully, I think these guys should say that in the comments section.
See, actually, this challenge reminded you of something which you did not know, right?
Yeah, of course, guys. This is one of the best thing that had ever happened. It's like refreshing memories, you know. That
Exactly.
is the best thing that of this kind of sessions.
Exactly. So we took up this challenge just for fun purpose. There was, no sentiments or there was nothing there to demotivate each other. It was just to motivate each other, and also you guys can take this challenge up with your partners, and you can just have some fun time. You can just spend some half an hour and take this challenge up. Basically, this challenge is to refresh some memories which you had with your baby, and also to remind something which your partner has forgotten about or which your partner has not noticed about. Like I told him, right, he has 16 teeth right now, but he remembers till 12. So it's something to remind them about something which they have totally forgotten or which they have missed to notice. So yeah, that's it, and that was our intention, and yeah, that's why we took up this challenge. We wanted to take it from a very long time, and then we finally took this up, and I'm really hoping that you guys would have loved this video, and please do let me know in the comment section like what kind of videos you want to see next, and will you come will you take up another challenge with me in upcoming days?
Yes, it's all about our viewers, how they react and how they love this video. If yes, then of course ready to do more videos like this. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and keep sharing, keep supporting. If you keep supporting us, definitely we'll bring more and more good videos. This is because guys, this is going to be big motivation for us, and hopefully we will give best and good videos. So
Ask them to click onto the bell icon because that's
Yeah.
something which they keep forgetting,
Yes,
and
of
that is why
course.
my videos don't reach many people. So please.
So guys, yes, that is the main thing, because if you only press only the what is that?
Bell icon.
Yeah, that's YouTuber's thing. So if you keep pressing the bell icon, only then you'll be getting the notifications. Hopefully you can enjoy more videos like this.
See you then. Thank you for coming on live.
You're welcome.
Okay. So thank you guys. Take care. See you. Allah Hafiz.
Yes.